What's up everybody, welcome to the future which has now become the present. My online name is Bootbyte and today is the 31st of July 2021. Today I want to make a short video because today is a special day. It marks the first 90 days of me operating a Cardano stake pool. So I operate a stake pool called CardanoHop.net stake pool with the ticker CHOP, and this is the first 90 days, so I thought that it would be a good idea to make a short video talking about the beginning, how it's been running, and then at the end what I look forward to in the future. So starting off the beginning, on April 1st of this year, 2021, me and my father had a discussion about whether or not we should launch a Cardano stake pool. And we have talked about this before when Shelly launched last year, but we really didn't do it because he didn't have time, I didn't have time, so we decided not to. However, this year, on April 1st, when we talked about it, we both had some more time and we decided to take action. So we spent about a month researching into how it all works. We searched into how staking worked on a protocol level, reading into it, and then we spent some time, of course, with the whole server setup, how you connect the relay nodes to block producer nodes and find out how it all should play together, and getting comfortable with the Cardano CLI. Then on the 29th of April 2021, we officially launched. And since then, it's been going okay. We managed to produce 3 blocks in these 90 days. We have 10 delegators. At the time of recording this video, we have an active stake of 232,000, 8 are delegated. And it's been going okay. CHOP has been performing better and better epoch by epoch. Now, however, running this pool has been, I would say it's been a more pleasant experience than I actually thought. And of course, there is some maintenance that you need to do, but it's compared to running other things now. I have been running and still running a fun little project with actual mining, and that's, I spend way more time on that, and it's been way more difficult to set up and maintain than it's been running a Cardano stake pool. So I think that's good, and that's really a good job by the Cardano development team. So in these 3 months, as I said, we managed to produce 3 blocks, and if you average that out, that's about 1 block per month, which is not great, but it's not bad either, considering that we only have 10 delegators. Now, we at CardanoHop.net have taken the approach of trying to create a Cardano Hop. So essentially we have our main site where you can go ahead and choose your destination, and we have 2 places you can go. You can go to our forum, which is supposed to be a community forum for the Cardano community, and it's made, of course, by the Cardano community, because me and my father, we are the Cardano community. And then we have a few staff members that are also people that are interested in Cardano. However, the forum hasn't really gone anywhere as of today, but we keep pushing, and we keep trying to keep going, because it's been 90 days and we're still new, and yeah, everything is still fresh. The second thing we have is we have our stake pool, which is the other destination that you can choose. And that website, you can read all about our stake pool, how our infrastructure is, who we are, a little bit about that, and you can see some stake pool details, which shows you our pledge, our active stake, margin, fixed cost, blocks in epoch, and all that cool stuff. So we've been trying to get delegators in by promoting on Twitter mostly, and we also just recently launched a Twitter campaign. We've been trying to get a Twitter campaign live for about a month, but for some reason Twitter decided that, well, they don't want our money, but in the end, after a little over a month, they decided, well, okay, now we want your money. So our campaign is live now, and that is good. But it is quite challenging to get delegators. And now, while I appreciate every 10 delegators we have, of course, one of them is myself, the problem with this is that we know everybody. And either I know them or my father knows them, and either it's someone we know in real life or it's someone that we've known online. And now I appreciate them wanting to support us. However, I actually thought that it would be a little bit more easy to get random people in, but it really isn't. And I want to make another video in the future talking about the problem with Cardano delegation, and the problem especially with big players making lots of pools and then people go into those pools instead of splitting out into smaller pools. I know this has been on the topic if you look around Twitter and different places where the Cardano community discuss that other small stake pool operators also is trying to address this. So I will be making a video about that in the future. Overall, it's been some pleasant 90 days. And I look forward to the future. We have the Alonso hot for coming up with smart contracts for Cardano. I think the latest I heard was that at the start of September, end of August, we, if we're lucky and no major disruption comes in, we should see smart contracts and the Gogan era take place. So overall, I look forward to that. It's going to be exciting as a stake pool operator, being able to, you know, drive this whole new era into existence. And in terms of what we will do at CardanoHop.net, well, we will keep pushing on Twitter, trying to promote, and we will promote in other ways also, and try to see if we can get new delegators in, of course, because that's, of course, a priority of ours. I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say, so I'm going to wrap this up now. So if this video provided you with any value, either entertainment or you learned something, well, then make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell, and check the links in the description, and share on all social media platforms you can, and tell everybody you know. Alright, I think that's it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the future. Take care.